We're going to use Airtable automations to automatically email your client when their invoice is marked paid. Instead of having to export the invoice and email it separately, you can now email directly from your Airtable base. In this base, I have an invoices table and a client table. My client table has the client's email already in it. So we need to do an email lookup field from the client table. So we pull the email into the invoices table. Then we need to add a formula field based on that email lookup field because we can't email from a lookup field. You also need to have a checkbox field marked paid so that we can trigger the automation. To start the automation, you are going to click New Automation, choose your trigger, when record matches conditions, and we're going to choose our invoices table. We're going to click Add Condition, and the condition needs to be when the paid checkbox field is checked. Run the test and click Done. Now we're going to add the action, and this is going to be to send an email. This is where we are going to click the blue icon and we are going to click Continue, and we're going to go find the formula field that we created containing our client email. Then click Insert. In the subject, you can add your paid invoice, and if you want, you can even add information such as the invoice number. In the message, you can really add whatever you want your message to say. So in this one, we're going to add the client's name, which is also a formula field containing the text of the client. Then we can add the total amount, and we can mark paid. Then run your test and click Done. Rename your automation and turn the automation on. Now we're going to test it out. So we want to click the checkbox, and then your client will receive an email. And that's how you use Airtable automations to email an invoice to your client and let them know that their invoice was paid.